Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the right tools and safety in place. Use a multimeter and test light to find power and continuity. This tells you whether the fault is at the bulb or upstream. Once done, remove the lens and bulb so you can see the socket. Corrosion here is a common culprit. Make sure the trailer is unhitched and stable, then check the ground strap and harness entry for broken wires or melted insulation before moving to live testing. Next, you apply brakes while probing the socket to see if 12V arrives. That confirms the trailer wiring is getting signal. If voltage is present but the lamp stays dark, clean, or replace the socket and bulb, LEDs require correct polarity and solid contact. If wiring is the issue, cut back to sound insulation, strip and crimp with corrosion-resistant connectors, then heat shrink and seal. These steps restore conductivity and prevent future failures, because moisture and movement are the usual enemies. Finally, you reinstall the lamp, secure the wiring away from pinch points, and seal exposed joints so road spray can't corrode them. Reconnect the trailer, then test the brake lights while someone depresses the pedal. Verify all bulbs light and that the ground is solid. If lights still fail, don't stop. Check the tow vehicle fuse and relay, measure the controller's output, and confirm trailer ground continuity. A single bad ground or blown fuse is often the last thing to uncover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.